Karbi Students Association shows displeasure over the decision of shutting down 7 high schools at Karbi Anglong by the government of Assam. J.I. Kathar, President APHLC, incessantly advances his visit to Inglongpo region under Singhason constituency. District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department organized short-term training program at Hamren on 24th August.
Grab the biggest opportunity. The Golden Wings presents second Karbi Anglong Fashion Week 2022. Both for male, female, Mrs. Teen and kids. Promoting our local behavior and tourism. Required height, male 5.5 and female 5.3 professional. Dress code for preliminary auditions. Denim blue jeans and white t-shirt. Pencil heels compulsory for female preliminary audition scope. Dipu, Denarong, Wolongkomaji, Japrajan, Hanjang Langso, Hamren, Dongka, Kaziranga, Umrangso, Haflong, Chokihola and Hawarkehat. For further details, please contact 60032 93958.
Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. The government of Assam had decided to shut all the government high schools with 0% passing rate at high school leaving certificate examination. A total of 34 schools from across 16 districts of Assam had made their spot in the list. Out of 34 schools, 6 schools turned up from Karbi Anglong and 1 from West Karbi Anglong district. However, on 24th August, Karbi Students Association called for a press conference at Kolanga Irrigation Inspection Bungalow and showed their displeasure against shutting down of 7 government high schools from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. The names of the schools that had made their spot on the list from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts are Okkereng High School, Jaipong High School, Inglongkiri High School, Hauraghat Boro Medium High School, Deopani High School, and Menmeji High School. Secretary of Karbi Students Association, while addressing the media, informed that Karbi Students Association vehemently disagree on the decision made by the government of Assam in shutting down 7 government high schools under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. It is a fact that the performance of the schools in HSLC examination is poor, but it is the consequences of appointing less teachers in some schools. Hence, the decision of shutting 7 government high schools is not acceptable.
Na fila bangso putra banil tuman ke jasmet lamthi ba klan tung ngalo je il tumlong la ke dotang provincialization high school mukhaf ta menon bangke inthan pon pera il tum la ko school la ka siksa mana kisum ko pisido ma hala hahi jasmet internal missionary bank antogar ni ko asami sangi hola so assistant ban ko pisika dori mana pen la hai school long kenan so kopi mala hai chi ni pin pen opson men masi la high school ban han pon pe ji ban tum pen chedon di posil tum pen flemen tum han pachini pon.
Activists of Karbi Students Association says that the concerned department and authority of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council must definitely intervene into this matter, as the decision of shutting 7 high schools is totally unacceptable to the Karbi Students Association.
Kedu ana school fitame ilitum non masi labaki ke claim kon tancheng kon bo je konana la school si teacher ka budget mal pen konana high school of teacher si pini ke claim ke dam kapan free mal high report tamil tum ti bom lo la pen la so ban kedu desan feel tum fitame claim bom lo sinon la bang so claim ko report fitame non la men bangso beta na kili bang il tum bang kanang mu chu goal of
teacher ka beta choksi main reason na bang nasi government of Assam la ben Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council jasame pet education ye bangsa min tum juning rilo nang le bangso putak well initiative and pen la bangso kan hap check ading kalisi nang di ground report and pamira la bangso school pi ko sonsi kibang zila ni ki claim poning market nang isi niltum mane nang bangsi apor pilo.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. On 24th August, seeing the efforts and commitment of the APHLC in strengthening 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, the villagers of Wopong Tokbi village, Kania Bay village, Rongjangpong, Borsing Rongpi village, and its adjoining villages under Wopong Tokbi polling station, Longnit, left their old party, that is Indian National Congress, BJP, ASDC, and merged with the APHLC party. Villagers of 11 villages under Wopong Tokbi polling station bestowed their confidence to APHLC. The newly joined party workers were welcomed and felicitated with a Karbi souvenir, Poho, by its president, J.I. Kathar. The mass joining program and felicitation program was attended by Samson Teron, Secretary, APHLC Legal Cell, APHLC Treasurer, Rajan Timung, recent MSc candidate of Lumbajong from APHLC, Deori Teron, President APHLC, Dipu LA, Elvin Keap, President Singhason APHLC Youth Wing, Mekri Inglengpi, Organizing Secretary, Women Wing APHLC, and many notable important dignitaries from APHLC party.
SPRC ke raat den inut ke reng mong chok che ado ka we rata reng nai chisong pet agat do an ke pusi ne li punat bang no la si punat chisong nun bet pusi ne li bang joi lo
ni bang ke ne dum bang ke mi dola ram to biarong pen da iki se selong krap ini dum la so krap no bang ke kidam tang election hosita mane candidate am khang lang ni ni tuma candidate pan ari thegong ni la nang si cha galam ka chalam la hiling galam la asi la puson ke ni tum wood to pidin sita ali avidata ku la hai mathala.
Newly joined village headman, while speaking to us, informed why he had left the BJP and joined the APHLC party. He also informed about the faithlessness and hopelessness towards the BJP party. Son Singh Hanse, while delivering his speech, informed that Wopong Tokbi polling station, covering 11 villages, has a total number of 542 voters. If looked at the data from the recently concluded MSc election, APHLC obtained many as 136 votes, while the ruling government BJP obtained only 112 votes out of 542 voters at Wopong Tokbi polling station. Hence, APHLC exceeding the BJP showed the victory of APHLC at Wopong Tokbi polling station. Mass joining program cum awareness on 6th schedule was concluded successfully and peacefully. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. West Karbi Anglong District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department organized a short-term training program on scientific rearing of livestock and further cultivation at Hamren on 24th August. Empowering the youth to be self-reliant and economically independent, the West Karbi Anglong District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, under the initiative of District Veterinary Officer Gangadhar Dole, as many as 30 ex-cadres of KPLT, youths from local region had participated in the workshop held at Government Poultry Farm Training Hall, Hamren, on 24th August. Rup Singh Teron, MLA, inaugurated the event and delivered his valuable speech in relevance to the workshop, how one can empower and become a self-reliant individual.
KPLT la so kedar tum no la tum bangke sarkar pan kadwe lo chitok se no lang tum ministry mang lo ade lang tum methang goreng wa sai kare ya phan alang tum pan ka pangreng ason pacar di ke klem panja pan si veterinary department pen pangrum po lang tum pan training ki people la tan so ram bang ta veterinary pen people lo ate veterinary people non veterinary people lo la pan non ne di pota chi chaklo agriculture pen dam training people la.
Hetsing Rongpar, MSc Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Mriganka Borua, Manager, Hamren Government Poultry Farm, Harry Teron, Assistant Manager, Dr. Rimjim Bepi, Dr. Sangmirlin Terangpi, Dr. Rupam Chandra Hazarika, resource persons attended the event and aware the youths about the economic importance of scientific rearing of livestock and further cultivation for animals.
Scientifically animal tumhan kapang reng jima so puthak so tum mane pinye training daga course division dole hai kuma mane pia farming bola te cattle farming do goat farming do poultry do la son si mane division ekta kurilo la so course structure salam na receive for fan kusita
মই মানে আমি ফাৰ্ষ্ট ট্ৰেইনিং দিলোঁ তাৰপিছত আমি তেওঁলোকৰ চাওঁ কেনেকুৱা ইণ্টাৰেষ্ট কি কৰে তাৰপিছত এইটো আমাৰ মইতো মানে আমি ট্ৰেইনিঙে দিম তাৰপিছত আমাৰ এডমিনিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যন বা আমাৰ ওপৰৰ অফিচাৰসকলে কি কৰে সেইটো ডিছকাছ কৰিব পিছত ফাৰ্ষ্ট আমি ট্ৰেইন অফ দ্য পিপল
Daniel in his report from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.